Writing style, engaging. In today's episode, I'm diving into a gripping chapter of political tension straight out of Zimbabwe. This isn't just another political skirmish, it's a saga filled with betrayal, family ties, and an explosive power struggle that could reshape the nation's future. Let's unpack the story of Chris Mutsvangwa's rebellion within Zanu PF. Chris Mutsvangwa, once a staunch ally in Zimbabwe's ruling party, Zanu PF, is now at the epicenter of a political storm. Why, you ask? It all spiraled out of control when his son was imprisoned, an action attributed to none other than President Emmerson Mnangagwa himself. This isn't merely a personal vendetta, it's a clash of titans within the corridors of power. The dynamics within Zanu PF are complex. On one side, you have President Mnangagwa, who seeks to consolidate his power and quash any opposition. On the other, Mutsvangwa, a formidable political veteran whose son's imprisonment has turned him from a loyalist into a rebel, threatening to split the party. Why is this significant? The stability of Zanu PF is crucial not only for Zimbabwe, but for the entire southern African region. A split within could lead to unforeseen political fallout, affecting everything from economic policies to international relations. Mutsvangwa's potential rebellion isn't just about settling scores. It's about challenging the status quo and possibly directing the future course of Zimbabwean politics. The questions now are, how will Mnangagwa respond? Will Mutsvangwa succeed in rallying enough support to cause a significant shift? As this political drama unfolds, the stakes are incredibly high. The outcome of this power struggle could determine the direction Zimbabwe takes in the coming years. It's more than just politics. It's about people's lives, their futures, and the heartbeat of an entire nation. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to catch the latest updates on this and other intriguing global events. Until next time, keep your eyes on Zimbabwe, where the political drama is as intense as it gets.